Sabrina Carpenter came to our shop, here are the custom slimes that we would make her. But we're not just doing Sabrina Carpenter. We have a ton of celebrities that we're gonna make custom slimes for today. And the last one's probably the ugliest celebrity we've ever made slime for. So first up, we have Charlie XCX. I wanted to do something that was themed after a Brat Slime album cover, so I thought clear slime would be really good for this. I don't know what's going on with this one because it's kind of rippy, but we're just gonna pretend that it's a normal clear slime. So I will be completely honest, I had to prepare for this video. I didn't listen to Charlie XCX's album yet, so don't hate me if not everything I say is correct, but I do know that she is a pop icon and we all love her. She is the song of the summer, and I know that Apple is a great dance and it's a great song, okay? So anything that I messed up on, let me know in the comments. But I do know that her album cover is green, and it's like a really pretty like neon green. So I'm adding green number 6, which is really, really, really bright green. So mix this up. I'm not really sure what I want to do for charms yet. I know that I need something Y2K. I need it to feel like Charlie herself made it. I think her base is pretty much good. I don't want to scent it. I might want to add glitter on top, but I don't want to add it to the actual slime. I want the slime to look just like the album cover. Does that make sense? Like, I don't want to add a bunch of stuff and then it's like, oh, it's green, but it doesn't actually match. So I think this is good. Okay, we need some Charlie XCX Brat charms. So we need green, we need black. I love some like cute, oh my God, cute green hearts. Cute green hearts. I also want a glitter, but I want something that has a green shine to it. We also have this one, and this one that are all pretty green. If I was Charlie XCX, which one would I pick for my slime? And I'm thinking it's gonna be this one. We have chocolate charms, gummy charms. Oh, gummies maybe? Would gummies be cute? Is this giving like brat, or is this, am I crazy? I might be crazy. I'm gonna see what else I can find, but I think I'll hold on to these just in case. Okay, so we've had our biggest issue yet, right? Like, I want pink bows. Do these look pink to you? This looks like bow mix. Do we not have any pink bows anywhere? POV, you're searching for pink bows. Where are they? I don't see them. Do I pick all the pink bows out? Seems like a lot of seems like a lot of work. How do we not have pink bows? I think I got too much stuff. So we're just gonna kind of add stuff until it makes sense. I got really panicked because I was like, oh, what would Charlie XCX like? And I feel like I'm doing her disservice by not getting everything, but I think it's too much. So I know what I do want is this really pretty glitter. We hand chose it. It's sparkly. It looks good. So I don't want to add too much. We'll go like that. Very Julia, if I do say so myself. Thank you. I do want to add the green beads and the black beads. So we'll go like this, boop, boop. So it's kind of a boba slime. Then we'll add some of these guys, which are kind of the same thing, but in different sizes. I do want to do a pink heart. I know I was talking about picking the pink bows out of the bow mix. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think it's worth it. So we're gonna do some cute little pink hearts. And then I was debating on the gummy bear, but I think that it's gonna be cute. So I'm gonna add 2 of those. But there is one more thing that I think is gonna make this slime just perfect is when I heard that Brat was being released, I was like, oh, it's kind of giving, you know, Brat era, and I played with Brats as a kid. So we have a pair of Brat lips to add to our Charlie slime, and perfect. So now it's definitely giving Brat. I think it's really cute. When it's mixed, it's gonna turn into like a really pretty greeny coral color, and I think it gives all of the different vibes of her album. But let me know down in the comments, how well do you guys think I did with this slime? For Sabrina Carpenter, we would use a cloud dough. That was good. But I want to do a 2-color coquette bow, kind of Polly Pocket-esque slime. And I think it's going to be really cute, just like her. I'm actually going to a Sabrina Carpenter concert in October, and I'm really excited for it. I think my favorite part of her performances are just her outfits. They're so on point. So I cannot let her down with this slime. Okay, deep pink. I'm willing to give it a chance, but it looks neither deep nor does it look pink. But yeah, it's my 3rd concert, so I'm very excited. My 2nd concert was Olivia Rodrigo, so we have all of the girlies in the lineup, you know? But oh wait. That's actually good. It is giving salmon a little bit, but I think it's good. So I'm gonna do a 2-colored pink with a lot of cute like bows and accents and girly things. So we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna make kind of a little log, you know? I know when people pack our swirled slimes, it's really funny because they have the most perfect log shapes, and then my log looks like. So you should be glad that I'm not packing your slime, and then somebody else is doing it because I'm not very good at it. I'm a little worried that the colors are too close together and it might not show up, but we will see in a second. Yeah, they look different. I think that's cute. I think that's a good start to our slime. So now we just need our charms and our accessories, and we should be good. Oh Nova, are you coming with me? Thank you, thank you. She needs to make slime. Okay, so for Sabrina Carpenter, we need bows. And not just those pink ones in the mix, but we need true bows. So I think there's a charm that should work for this. I just need to find it. Pink gummy crumbs. None of these are bows. Where are the bows? I do think I'm gonna take the light glitter bears simply because we don't have anything else right now. So just in case, as a backup. But I still have my heart set on the bows. I think they're just taller than I am, so I couldn't see them. Hold on. Bows.
Gonna take these. You'll see why in a little bit.
But glitter. We need something cute. Perhaps the thing that we used in every single cotton candy slime we own. Yes, let's do this. That's the one. I think that we're good. I don't think I need anything else. I feel like I'm missing something. I'm keeping it a little simple this time. We have a bunch of cute pink things. So I kind of wanted to go for a nonsense theme. It's got cute little X's and O's. I don't know why nothing sticks to this type of slime. Hold on. We'll just go like this. All the other slimes will let sprinkles stick to them, but Cloud Dough for some reason does not. So they always look a little weird, but I think that's good. I wanted to do something for nonsense. We have cute little pink bows to represent all the cute outfits she wears. A sucker for no reason except for it was really cute and pink and I saw it and I was like, that'll be cute in there. So we put that in there. And then I also have a cute gummy bear. I understand that both of our slimes today have had gummy bears, but I promise it's not a theme. We just have a lot of gummy bears in the shop. It's almost perfect, but it does need one special thing to make it the best slime ever, which is one of Sabrina's platinum records because she has so many of them. And it is quite literally the perfect Sabrina slime. I feel like if she saw this slime, she would know exactly what all the theming was from. And I think we did a really good job here. Definitely, like I said, let me know what you think, but this is pretty cute. You can't lie, it is pretty cute. For Kevin Jonas, we're gonna be using a Snow Fizz slime. We all know Kevin is the best member of the Jonas Brothers, and I want to pay him respect with the perfect Snow Fizz slime. So we're gonna dye it Kevin's favorite color, red, particularly super red. I think that's probably his favorite color. It's gonna be nice and sizzly. I don't know Kevin personally, but I think that he's probably somebody who enjoys ASMR. That's why I just think that this fits his vibe, you know? It's looking a little meat-like, but I think it's a good red. It's a good red, it's a solid red. I'm not trying to convince myself of that or anything. I think it's a really good red. So we have our base. Now we just need our charms. Okay, Heaven Slime. I'm thinking Camp Rock. I'm thinking guitar. Do we have guitar charms? I don't think so, but we'll find something that looks like a guitar. We have pink cake, we have ice creams. Where are all the high heels? Red dresses, perhaps? Honestly, I'll take any color dress at this point because I don't think we have anything. I honestly think I'm just gonna ask the people who work on charms because I don't think I'm ever gonna find my red dress on my own. So I'm looking for high heels or a red dress. Do you have anything that looks like a guitar? Do you have an instant? So I've just been updated. We don't have anything like that. So we're gonna go with just a lot of red things. These are red. Let's add these to our bin. So hear me out. What's red and kind of looks like a red dress and a guitar, that's kind of guitar shaped. I won't lie, mostly. I bet they had frogs at camp, right? I searched and searched and searched for anything Kevin Jonas themed. And I was like, do we have guitars? And they're like, no. And I was like, do we have, red dresses or high heels? And they're like, no. So we improvised. And I present to you Kevin. If Kevin was a Camp Rock member in real life, and he also really likes mushrooms, I have fire to kind of match, like their fiery energy. I have frogs because frogs belong at camp. I also have some leaves so that we really give it that Camp Rock spirit. So just add a few leaves in there. And then we're gonna add a mushroom and a strawberry because I don't know Kevin's favorite food. And I think that I choose to believe he likes strawberries and mushrooms. And that's it. So for the final piece of this slime, we have Kevin. My favorite part is the fact that his legs are crossed, but they also seem to be not attached to the rest of his body. It is my favorite part of this whole piece. And Kevin, if you're watching, this is not how we view you. I just feel like I need to throw it out there. So I present to you Kevin's slime, if Kevin were still in Camp Rock and he liked mushrooms. For Sabrina's boyfriend, Barry, we have jelly slime. So I know what you're thinking. We're probably gonna talk about Saltburn when we talk about Barry, but we're not. We're gonna talk about how Barry is Sabrina's boyfriend. And I just really like Sabrina Carpenter. So we had to do her boyfriend because I think they're really cute together. If you ask me to name anything about Barry, I probably wouldn't be able to, other than he was in Saltburn. I'm sure somebody's gonna be mad at me for that, and maybe I should have done my research more. He probably just does normal guy things, Plays with sports and games. I think that that's good enough. I feel like we all already know him, which is why I chose a blue slime. Now we just need charms for Barry. Okay, we need sports. So that's the first thing I'm hunting for, right? Cause like, he gives sports, you know? Hey, Hyro, can you Google what Barry Keegan likes really quick? So Hyro told me that he is a Libra. So apparently he likes zodiac stuff and he's 5'8". So I want to make sure that we get him some crowns to represent all the short kings out there, because I think being a short king is a personality trait, you know? And I really want to represent that. Look at that, so cute. Now we need sports.
We have the sports.
We have a lot of balls to choose from, so I'm very happy with that. Now we just need the zodiac stuff, and I know it was here because I accidentally broke the bag earlier. And there is the hole that I accidentally made. That's a good amount of zodiac. I was also just informed that he likes boxing, but we don't have any boxing items, but we do have bread, and that's kind of the same thing. So we're gonna use this. Barry Keegan, he likes boxing, so we got him some bread. Got a carbo load, you know, when you're boxing. We got him various balls because I think he likes sports. I also got him some crowns because he's a short king. Once again, I'm very sorry. This is the best we could do. So we're gonna add multiple different balls because I know that he likes boxing, but I'm sure he likes other sports. So we're gonna add every sport. I know that we said we weren't gonna do the salt burn thing, so I didn't really want to give him like a bathtub or like vampire teeth or something, you know, because it's overplayed. He needs to tell the world what things he truly enjoys in life, and I hope it's a lot of sports because that's what we got. So now we're adding the crown, but we have one more thing to add to this that might hopefully potentially save it a little bit. We've gone over all the things that Barry likes, but what we need to go over is the fact that he should please, please, please not embarrass Sabrina, because whenever I ask ChatGPT what Barry likes, it always said Sabrina, and I think that that's probably the biggest part of his personality right now, and we need to include it in the slime. So, Barry, if you're watching, don't embarrass Sabrina because we'll take away your bread, and I know he likes bread. So for this next slime, we need butter slime. So this slime is for our ugliest celebrity yet. I introduced to you Peggy the ugliest dog. I personally think she's beautiful, but she was voted world's ugliest dog, and she was in Deadpool as the ugliest dog. So I felt like we had to give her a moment. And to do that, I'm gonna make a slime inspired by her, which means it's now gonna be the ugliest slime. So to do that, I think we're gonna do a brown and a black grayish color, you know, to kind of represent the essence of Peggy the dog, you know? We're gonna add a little bit of each. Oh, I never know I can mix two slimes at one time, like a machine. You know, the most important thing about Peggy is her tongue. So whenever you look at her, she just kind of looks like she's always just a little bit upset. You know, we wouldn't love Peggy as much without the tongue. We love the tongue. We should definitely get some tongue-themed charms in the slime, I think. Now we have our slimes. We have the brown, we have the black. I'm gonna do a quick little twist, and then we're gonna add it to our jar. So we're gonna do a little twist, a unique twist, you know? So we have our fur, and we have to add it to our jar. Actually, this looks very dog-like. I'm quite proud of this. If this slime were to have a scent, would it be like a wet dog, or what do you think Peggy smells like? Anyways, this is Peggy. Here's her slime. We're gonna go find her some charms that match her essence. So first I found these paw femos, which I think are definitely very dog vibes, but I don't like that they have so many colors. I don't think Peggy would like that. I think she only wants the brown one. So we're gonna get these, and we're only gonna take the browns. I'm stealing another bin. They keep replacing them, and I don't think they know that I'm taking. And then I'm pretty sure Peggy is just like any normal dog. Like, she probably wants to play with her toys. She probably likes treats. So let's get a little bit of both of those. This guy made of bones, but I don't think that Peggy shouldn't be eating people. Surely we have some bones somewhere else. Guys, we found the bones. So we have little bones. Look how cute they are. And they're gonna be so cute for Halloween, but for right now, they're for Peggy. So I was looking for dog sprinkles. All we have are little white dogs, and I think that in another life Peggy could have been one. I really want to get some animals on the mix, so I think we're gonna add this in there too. I also want to represent Peggy's little pink tongue, and we have these hearts, and I think that they're pretty similar to a tongue. There's like two tongues put together, so I think we're gonna add these in there as well, and I think that's gonna make a pretty cute ugly dog, Peggy the ugly dog. I feel so guilty calling her ugly. She's not ugly, but the ugly dog slime is complete. We may have failed with Barry and Kevin, but I do think we're gonna redeem ourselves with the Peggy slime. Okay, hear me out. We found everything. We found bones, we found paw prints, we found little white dog that could be Peggy if she were a little white dog. So I think that this is gonna turn out pretty well. So with the paw prints, I know that Peggy only wants the brown ones. The other ones are too colorful and she does not need them in her her life, so we're gonna only pick out the brown. Okay, now we need a few little white dogs, just, you know, 1 or 2 to represent Peggy and her friends. And then the little parts that represent her cute little pink tongue. So it does need one more thing, like with all of the other ones, but this one is personally my favorite. It's a tiny little Peggy to go on her very own slime. She may be voted the ugliest dog, but she's the ugliest dog in all of our hearts. Personally, this is probably my favorite slime. I think the sprinkles were perfect, and we even got the little tongues in there. So overall, I think this might have been the best one we did for the entire video. So those were all of the custom celebrity slimes. Let me know which slime was your favorite, and it definitely should be this one. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.